Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tan's World, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, this is my channel Tan's World and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and skincare. So now let's move on to today's video, and as the title suggests, it's my Myntra long kurti haul. I picked up beautiful kurtis from Myntra all around the budget of 400 to 600, plus I save more money by shopping through cashkaro.com. So if you're interested in knowing how you can get more and save money by shopping through cashkaro.com, then stick around till the end of the video where I show you the easy process on how to shop. So now let's get on with the haul. I picked up 6 long kurtis from Myntra all around the budget of 400 to 600, and they're such beautiful kurtis. I love Myntra because I think it's a one-stop solution for me when it comes to fashion needs. They have everything under the sun, name it, the kurtis, the dresses, shoes, bags, jewelry pieces, you name it, and they have it. Plus in affordable budget line also, because I think these earrings costed me only 200 bucks and they are such amazing piece. I mean, I just love them. Plus their return policy is so easy. There's actually no question asked return policy, and I'm not sponsored to say this. So now enough of jibber jabber and let's get on with the haul. So the first thing in the haul is the anarkali that I'm wearing. It's a very beautiful indigo blue color. It has a little bit of red flowers all over. It is a little more like an empire line fit around it, and it also has 3/4 length sleeves. I think it looks really elegant, and since I'm 5'8", it is coming up to my ankles. However, if you are not a 5'8" lady, then this is going to be a floor length anarkali, and I also like the material of it. It is a very nice, good cotton material, and this is from a brand called Arc, and this was originally for $14.99, almost 1500, and I picked it up for 645 rupees. So despite the kurti being on a tremendous discount, I also save more money via shopping through cashkaro.com, because cashkaro.com is offering a cashback of up to 6%, and you can also avail the cashback. You just have to download the app. The link to download the app is going to be down below in the description box. All you have to do is download the app. Next thing on the haul is this another kurti. It's in a brown and a white combination, or an off-white combination, but the sole reason why I picked it up because it has this Angarakha kind of look to it, and that's the sole reason I picked it up. I really like Angarakha kinds, or the one with an empire line, really elegant. It looks amazing. Again, this is a 3/4 length sleeves because I find them really classy and really good. I also like this beige or a brown combination of the tie around it. So this one was again for $16.99, almost 1700, and I picked it up for 498 rupees. So the details of all the things I purchased in the haul, including this jewelry, are going to be listed down below in the description box, so you can check it out. Next thing on the haul is this yellow kurti. It is such an amazing color. It has this, very mustardy yellow color. It is not that brighter color. It's just a gorgeous color, and this has this cutout detail on the sleeves. You backed up with this black buttons on the sleeves, but it is not that overbearing cutout that is visible all the time. It is just a muted cutout. It won't be visible also half the time if you keep your arms straight. Only if you're going to fletch it, it's going to be visible a little, and I think that's a really good quality in a kurti, because kurtis you associate by wearing something at a formal occasion. I think apart from the cutout detail, the best quality about this kurti is the end. It has this very asymmetrical end to it. It is almost floor length. This one was originally for $17.99, almost 1800, and I got it for 566 rupees. The next thing on the haul was one of my favorite pieces. The moment I saw it on the website, I just knew I had to have it, and that is this sleeveless anarkali. I love the print. It has this, a different print on the top part, and once it goes into the empire line, it has an altogether different print, and it's such a muted, nice color. It has this combination of blue and black. This was originally for $13.99, almost 1400, and I picked it up for 602 rupees. The kurti I picked up is this one. This is an indigo blue color. It has a Chinese collar to it. It also has this beautiful red print all over it, and I also like the muted smaller print of flowers around the main area of the kurti, and followed it up with another of those bolder prints at the end. And this is more in the form of a cape or a jacket, because it has a long slit in the front, but the slit is not that overbearing that it's visible all the time. Even though I'm 5'8", this is supposed to be floor length, and for any other lady who's not 5'8", it is going to be floor length, but for me it is a little tad bit bit shorter. So this was originally for $16.99, almost $1700. This is from a brand called Vishuddh, which is the first time I'm purchasing from it, but I really like the quality, and this one I picked up for 645 rupees. The next one is this indigo blue one. As you must have guessed it from the haul, indigo blue has suddenly become one of my favorite colors. So this is another of the kurtas as a 3/4 length sleeves, and this is a very good, nice cotton material, very soft, very elegant. I like the little bit of V-neck on the front, and the best part about this kurti is the ends, because it has this asymmetrical end to it. The end is quite similar to the yellow one. However, the yellow one was with the slit and this one was not with the slit. This one was again for $13.99, $1400, and I picked it up for 542 rupees. Again, this kurti also was on a tremendous good discount. I saved a lot of money, plus I saved more money by availing a cashback of up to 6% from cashkaro.com. To avail this offer, all you have to do is just download the app. The link to download the app is going to be down below in the description box. All you have to do is just download the app. It's that simple. And apart from the kurtis, I also picked up these two pieces of jewelry. I absolutely love them, especially the neck piece, and the earrings also go really well. I was always in search for, you know, those big earrings because I generally don't wear them. However, I still wanted to have them in my closet, and the moment I saw it, it was on sale, available for around like 200-300 rupees. I just had to have it. So the neck piece, I got it for 456 rupees. This was originally again for around 1200 rupees or so. So that's that, and I really like how it looks. It has this dangling ghungru kinds at the end, and as far as my earrings are concerned, and this one I picked it up for 298 rupees. So now those were the beautiful kurtis that I picked up from Myntra, all at beautiful pieces and at such good tremendous discount. Now it's time for me to share with you how I save more money via shopping through cashkaro.com. So all you have to do is download the app. The link to download the app is going to be listed down below. You just have to click on the link and you can download the app. It is an Android friendly app. If you're using an iOS phone like me, then you have to shop through their website. So once you're through with this process, now you have to search for the deal you're interested in. This time I wanted to shop at Myntra, so I searched for Myntra and it took me to a deal link. All you have to do is just click on the desired deal link that you like, and it will take you to the desired website in a new tab. I will also put the direct link to the Myntra deal down below in the description box if you want to check it out. So now it's time to shop as usual on Myntra. You can add anything that you like. This time I chose some kurtis and some jewelry pieces, and you can also use any of the coupon codes that are available for you, and then you have to choose the mode of payment. You can choose anything that you like, be it cash on delivery or online payment. The cashback from cashkaro.com is not restrictive to online payment. It is applicable even if you choose cash on delivery. So once you're through with the purchase, back in your Cashkaro account you'll be able to see the tracked cashback, and once this purchase is confirmed, you can transfer the cashback back into your account after 60 to 90 days. Why 60 to 90 days? Because different websites offer different exchange and return period, which varies from 60 to 90 days. So once this exchange and return period is over and your purchase is confirmed, so once you've accumulated a cashback of rupees 250, you can transfer the cashback back into your bank account or Paytm wallet, whatever that you like. It's such an easy breezy process. I have used it previously. You don't have to worry about the fussy process or a delay in cashback because it's an assured cashback. There is no fuss in the whole process. Plus cashkaro.com has already given away cashback worth rupees 80 crores. So it's that simple and that easy. Plus you can also subscribe to Cashkaro WhatsApp group and you'll stay updated with the fashion trends and deals, and 10 lucky winners are going to get cash vouchers worth rupees 1000 from Shein, Myntra and Amazon. So all you have to do is send a hi to this number. I'm going to put the number in the description box down below as well. You just have to send a hi and subscribe to the WhatsApp group. So that was my little tip on how to save money via shopping online, plus my kurti haul from Myntra. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to it so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. See you next time. Bye.